Shockwave. Break it down.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a minute. I haven't had time, plus not much content to record, but it's about time that I get back into it. It's Friday, it's my day off. I've been working a lot, but it's time we do something. So about time. Right today we're gonna go over to the old store that I used to work at, because I know the manager there very well, and we're gonna order my lift kit. We've been talking about it for a week, and we found a better option this week, and we're gonna go over to the store and get it ordered, and this truck should be lifted soon. Yeah, come along with me to do that, and then probably the last part of the video will be hopefully when the lift kit arrives. Alright guys, so I came and ordered my lift. I didn't record while I was in there because it was pretty busy, but here's the receipt. So it should be here probably next Thursday, and then I gotta pick it up and hopefully get it installed. I mean, I was gonna go 6-inch lift, and then I found a better alternative. Still kind of be a pretty big lift, but not as high, because I still want to clear in some places where I go. So as soon as it shows up, I'll get a video of the setup. All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's been a week since I recorded that last part, and I ordered my lift. But the lift just got in. I'm gonna go pick it up, take you guys along for the ride, show you what I got, and now it's just getting it installed. Hopefully get installed soon. We need to get tires for the truck too, so hopefully I can get those ordered here soon. It's Friday, it's day off, we're out and about. We just picked up some food, and yeah, we're on our way to go pick it up, and then yeah, I'll show you guys when I get there. Alright guys, so I just got here. I already loaded everything up, and 7 boxes. There's 2 right here. I'll open them when I get home because I still have to unload them. You guys can see what it is. But yeah, stay tuned for the opening. So I unboxed most of it. Got this link here. I think the bump stop. And then for the rear to lift it a little bit. I'm familiar with lift, so if I don't know the proper term, my bad. Some hardware here. I think this is the radius arm. Lift shocks. Got the springs here. This one had the installation kit, catalog. I don't know what these are. This is a little box of hardware. The cross member hardware in there. This is another radius arm. I just didn't open it. Yeah, so it's all in the kit. Hopefully get that installed here soon. But yeah, the truck's gonna have a whole new look.